Hey there, folks. I just want to share with you a little clock I bought. I bought actually 3 of them that replaced the 3 that I bought, I don't know, probably 15 years ago at Walmart. These clocks are really great. They're small and they're pretty nicely made. It's a little plastic frame, but it looks like wood. They come in different colors. I think it's 5 different colors. It does not come with the battery in the back here, so you have to put a battery in there. It does come with a type of, what do you call it, the plastic insert into the wall, and then put the screw in to hang it on the wall, but these things don't weigh that much, so I just used a little nail there to hang it up. But it's a really good clock. It's the Sterling & Noble. If you've seen my other video on the big wall clock that I have, I love that clock too. And these are just great little clocks. The company makes them. They're not real expensive. I bought this for $3.99 each, and they were the last 3 on the shelf. They go quick at Walmart, so you got to catch them. And they're online for $3.88. I mean, they're just a good deal. They're you know, they'll last you a good long time, because the other pair were Sterling & Noble also, and or actually there was 3 clocks that I replaced. And they were the same company, and they were just the same build, and it was just basically the moisture in the bathrooms that tears them up. But besides that, for 15 years, that's a good long life. I think those cost me like $6 or $7 back then. But hey, give it a try. Go to Walmart or just order them online by under the description there where to get them. They're just great little clocks. Put them anywhere you want. Good luck. God bless. Works for me.